Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Vechain. A lot of things to cover. What are the next price targets we should be looking at? Where is the price going in the immediate short term? So let's waste no more time and get right into it. But before we do that, if we're looking across the markets, we're seeing a little bit of green across the board, but nothing too exciting going on right now. And we are at March 6th as of now. So let's get right into it. So looking at the price of Vechain right now, it is currently trading at that 0.0247 cents mark, up 1.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up about 1.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. So compared to our previous update, we have not seen much changed within the price of Vechain. The market cap is still holding quite strong at that $1.8 billion mark. In the 24-hour trading volume, something impressive is going on. Slowly but surely, we're starting to see the overall buying pressure starting to increase, which is quite rare because if we go a few months back, Vechain's overall 24-hour trading volume was hovering around that 20 million, 25 million. So obviously an increase, we will definitely take that, and which is currently sitting at $57 million. But before we do jump into the charts, I wanted to share this with you guys, and just gives us a better idea as to why Vechain is really here to be one of the top blockchain projects, which I've been telling you guys about since the beginning. So look at this. It says Vechain's energy consumption is equal to just 0.04% of other blockchains. Vechain provides speed, low cost, reliability, and security, but means sustainability and scalable for a digital sustainable revolution. And always we're going to talk something positive about Vechain, because I truly believe, and I've said this before, now the markets are more than ever focusing on layer one projects, so blockchain projects. The amount of interest that's coming into these projects is absolutely insane. And not only that, the blockchain projects, there's a lot of competition, massive competition. And I've said this before to you guys, and I'll say it again. This is just my own personal opinion. I believe that considering what Vechain really has done in just a short number of years is astonishing in my personal opinion, because we're seeing other blockchain projects, other layer ones that are extremely high market valuations that are not even close to what Vechain's doing. A lot of people are going to come and say their opinions, which I respect, but the numbers are there right in front of us. Not only that, the partnerships are there right in front of us to see. Some of the biggest names that we hear on our day-to-day life are partnering and using the Vechain Thor blockchain. But now let's get right into the price. But before I do get into the price, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at the price of Vechain right now, like I've mentioned, compared to the previous update, we're not seeing too much difference happening within the price. We're still holding on to a very important level of support, which obviously is playing out for us because we were in the consolidation phase over the past year. And now that consolidation phase is helping us play as a level of support. But like I've said this, and I'll say it again, guys, right now you guys should be worrying about Bitcoin's price momentum, because Bitcoin right now is doing something very interesting. We are seeing sideways movements happening within the price of Bitcoin, still above $22,000 mark, which is still a massive positive thing to take away from it. As you guys know, for above $22,000, I remain bullish, and we have not retested this $22,000 mark once again after we actually tested it after this red candle, which was on March 4th. So that again is a positive point to take away. And we're starting to see a lot of people getting bearish, a lot of analysts saying we're about to see a massive dump in the price of Bitcoin, which I agree with, as long as we do not, and as long as we go below $21,000. I've said that again, and I'll say it again, that if we go below that, we are likely to touch $18,000 once again, which will obviously impact the entire markets. But so far we're in an upwards trend, so I will definitely take that. But we should be watching the price of Bitcoin very closely. Obviously, you guys know I will keep you guys covered if anything were to change. BTC dominance, on the other hand, a little stagnant. Not much has been happening on that end. So like I said, I do expect this number to increase if Bitcoin were to start to see more lower prices. But as far as Vechain is concerned, guys, if I bring out the hourly time frame again, not much has changed. we're still sitting at these critical prices. Like I said, if we drop below these, we could see 2.2 cents, and if we go below that, we could even see 1.7 cents come about for Vechain. And is this worrying some for myself? Absolutely not. Like I've said, and I'll say it again, dollar cost averaging in is your best friend. If you truly believe in Vechain as a project itself, you know what it's doing, you know where the price is going in the long run, then a dollar cost averaging in around these times is a perfect time. And right now, one thing I still want to give you guys an heads up on is, let's say you picked up some Vechain on the beginning of the year, you're still up 53%. And like I said, if you want to minimize your losses in terms of profits, I would put a stop loss in. But if you're in for the long haul, you may be saying, hey, you could make a statement that I'm in for the long haul, I don't really care about the short-term prices. Great. Then in that case, just, patience is your number one key to follow. But obviously, some people might be sitting at insane levels of profits, and we've seen this across the market. A lot of people are coming in, oh man, I wish I cashed in. I wish I got a little bit of profit out. And I've said this every single time, even when the prices were going towards the upside, take some profits out. But the way our brain works, I don't understand. I don't think any study will ever solve this. Our brain will never learn from the past. Maybe it will, maybe later on, but basically when we're seeing profits, we just tend to get very greedy, and that's what you do not want to be doing. Let's say you are sitting at some massive profits, and let's say you do have some massive profits in some low cap gems, especially low cap gems. Those are the profits that you want to be taking out as fast as possible, because it's very easy to pump those coins, and it's also very easy to manipulate them. So if you lock in profits at a good time, then you could allocate them towards some mid-cap coins such as Vechain, Quant, even top cap Ethereum, Cardano. So you guys get the perspective as to what I'm saying. So it's very, very important to dollar cost average and take profits when you are at the upside. And your buy-in cost should be as low as possible when it comes to the overall dollar cost averaging. And this bull cycle is going to be long, patience is going to be needed, dollar cost averaging needs to be done, and also like I said, patience is going to be needed. But I still do believe Vechain is going to shock a lot of people this coming bull cycle, and a lot of people are going to be coming back to these prices and saying, damn man, I wish I picked some up. So right now, like I said, Bitcoin price should not be ignored, and these levels that we're sitting at are extremely important for the price of Vechain. But if anything were to change, I will keep you guys updated. Love you all. Thank you so much for all the support. Road to 100,000 subscribers. So if you have not already, hit that red subscribe button, guys. It doesn't hurt. It's free to hit. So hit that red subscribe button, and also turn on your notification bells. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.